guys, today got a special treat for you. It's in the seafood family and I can't wait, because if you know me, probably don't know me too well yet, but if you know me, you know I love seafood. So today we are going to be doing some Maryland. Yes, I know I'm from Texas, Houston, but today we gonna mosey on up there to our Maryland folks and make some Maryland crab cakes. So we gonna see how this turn out. Is it a yay or a nay? Oh, how could I forget? And some homemade tartar sauce. So we gonna do this, okay? You ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with my crab cake mixture. Let's get on over there. Get it going. Okay, right here. Boom. Bring it close, We have a pound of lump crab meat. Looks so good. Is it focused? And we're gonna pour that right on in the bowl. Then we're gonna do a teaspoon and a half of Dijon mustard. Ooh, right there. Teaspoon and a half. Get it out of there. Teaspoon and a half of Dijon mustard. Get it all in there. A tablespoon and a half of mayo. Some good mayo, y'all. So whichever is your favorite, use that, okay? Try to get the good mayo. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The W sauce. So boom, Worcestershire sauce right in there. A teaspoon of course, Old Bay. Cause what's a seafood dish without Old Bay? Nothing. Put that right on up in there. A 4th teaspoon of salt. Right on in there. 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Okay, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. Two large eggs, and we're gonna beat them right on up. 2 large eggs, folks. And a half a cup of Panko. Plain Panko. You don't want the Italian kind. So we're gonna fold it in now. And I'll let it out of there. Then we gonna put our little eggs in here to bind the mixture. Okay? Alright. We're gonna get this incorporated real good. And use my spatula. Yeah, we're gonna incorporate this real nice. Nicely incorporated. So, is it focus? Come on, baby. So I'm gonna try to get 6 out of here, okay? You can get as many as you want out your mixture. I'm gonna try to do 6. All right. Let me go wash my hands. Please wash your hands. We need nice clean hands for this next part, okay? Back, hands clean, hands clean. Okay, let's make our paste. I'm gonna do about a half a cup of patty. See what I can get out of that. Shake that out good. Boom, right on the cookie sheet. On your baking sheet, you're gonna put them right on your baking sheet, okay? All right, as y'all can see, boom, got my crab cakes all ready to go. So now, what we gonna do with these? Stick them in the refrigerator for 1 hour, okay? Before we fry them, we're gonna stick them in there for 1 good hour. Let them get all nice and chilled. Then we're gonna fry these bad babies up. Okay, so now while we wait on the crab cakes to chill for that 1 good hour, we're gonna go ahead and make the tartar sauce so they can incorporate and be all good, nice and happy for when we finish frying our crab cakes, okay? Have something to dip, you know? Okay, moving on down the road. Hey, right here in this bowl, we have 1 cup of mayo. Like I said, for the crab cake mixture, we want to have some good mayo. So whichever you think is the best, please invest in some good mayo. Get that one, please get that one. Okay. In this little bowl, boop, we got 1.5 tablespoons of sweet relish. Gonna get that right into the mayo. This one tablespoon of red onion. You can chop them up finer than that, it's okay. I just like mine this size. But we're gonna do 1 tablespoon red onion right in there. All right. Ooh, I love the smell of red onion. Smells so good. Anyway, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons, 2, count them, 1, 2, of fresh lemon juice. 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Then we're gonna season it. We're gonna season it to taste with salt and pepper. All right. As y'all can see, crab cakes are out the refrigerator, ready to be fried up. So we're gonna put in, since my skillet is pretty big, we're gonna put in about 3 at a time. 5 minutes on each side until brown, folks. The oil we are using is canola oil. So we gonna, well, I already did it, but you gonna coat the bottom of your pan just enough so it can be fried, all right? With canola oil. Take a spatula so we can keep this together. Let me check my oil. Get some water. It's not ready yet. Anyway, I know I'm not using the oven for this video because we're doing it on top of the stove, but that's one of my sides. I'm gonna have my crab cakes. That's some roasted potatoes. So if you want to know how to make those, please let me know down below. But now we're gonna wait until our oil gets hot on medium heat. So now we gotta wait because it ain't popping yet. It'll be popping in a minute. We ain't got that much oil in the bottom. I hear it. Y'all hear it? I hear it. Okay, let's try to get our crab cakes in there. We're gonna use a spatula, okay? Pick them up. I don't want to break them up. I'm dropping 3 because we don't want them crowded. Because you make them crowded, it's not going to fry it like you want to, okay? You do not ever, ever, never, ever, ever want to crowd your pan, folks. They are getting happy right now as we speak. Very hard to turn. Be careful, okay? Because they will pop. They'll pop right back up at you when you're trying to turn. I was about to say, I thought this camera went off. I'm like, can I have one good day with the camera not going off, please? Please. But it's still rolling, so we good. We good. It's treating me nice today. Treating me real nice. See how that just pops, y'all? That's what I'm saying. Be very careful. Cause this thing likes to fight. You know what I'm saying? Look, listen. Likes to fight. Don't know I fight everything. Okay? I fight these crab cakes too. Stop popping at me. Doing too much right now. We gotta know. Make sure to cook them thoroughly through. Also, 5 minutes each side because we do have raw eggs in the crab cake, so we want everything to cook. Okay, especially those eggs. We don't need salmonella. I forgot to tell you. It also depends on your oven. So if you know that your oven, like it's gas, cooks kind of fast, so you're gonna do 3 to 5 minutes. Electric, I think cooks slower than gas, so you may want to do the 5 minutes on one, 3 on the other, or 5 and 5. You just gotta observe, look, check, and make sure that it's cooked all the way through. You can tell, okay? You can tell. Alright, we flip them. Look at that, look at that. That was a 5-minute fry on my gas stove. So okay. It's time to take them out. It's safe to take them out. And then put the next batch in. This is how we looking. So far, so good, folks. So far, so good. Of course, camera went off. Didn't I just give it some praise a second ago? And it just disappointed me, let me down. That's okay. It's alright, we back in action. So we still got these frying on up, getting sexy, getting happy. Okay, let's check them. Let me check them. Much as this crab meat costs, I don't want none of it burnt, okay? So I'm gonna keep my good eye on it. Watch out for the popping, folks. Crab meat cannot play. Carefully flipping this last batch. Take this second batch right on out. It's good and ready, good and ready. As y'all can see, all my crab cakes are ready to go. So what I'm about to do now is plate them all up, and I'll be right back. We are back and I am ready to taste, as you can see. But first, I want to invite my Afro princess to come taste the crab cakes with me. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right.
It tastes like crab.
It tastes like crab? I hope so, baby. Costs enough to taste like crab. But anyway, what I paired with it is some roasted asparagus and some roasted potatoes. Got my little tartar sauce. Let me check it. Let me see. Let me see how I did. You like it, baby? Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Trust me, it's good.
Mm-hmm. It's so good. Okay. Real good. Hold on. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's
and
right.
hit that bell
for those post notifications. And until next time, guys.
And the course was, we will have the ingredients and the comments down below.
Down below, what she said. And until next time.